What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If you need to disable two-step verification for your Google Workspace organization, here's how. Firstly, sign into the Google Admin Console using a Super Administrator account. Go to Security, then select Authentication. Click Two-Step Verification and choose the organizational unit you want to manage, or select the entire organization if you want to change to apply to everywhere. Now turn off the setting that allows users to use or to be required to use two-step verification depending on your organization's current configuration. Save your changes and keep in mind that policy changes may take some time to apply across all user accounts. If you only want to remove two-step verification for a specific user, you can reset that user's two-step verification enrollment from the account settings in the users section of the admin console instead of disabling it for everyone. And that's it, you've updated your Google Workspace two-step verification settings. Remember that disabling it reduces account security, so only do this if it's appropriate for your organization. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.